Is your car starting to feel a little outdated inside with all that tech? Tired of fumbling with your phone for navigation or dealing with messy cables for music? This 11-inch dash cam completely transformed my driving experience. It's truly next level. Now I have wireless Apple CarPlay right on my dashboard. No more mounting my phone or tangled wires. GPS navigation, music, calls, everything is crystal clear on this huge 4K screen. And with voice control, I can access apps and directions hands-free, keeping my focus on the road. It genuinely makes my older car feel brand new, like I just got a luxury technology upgrade. Plus, it has a dual-lens 4K dash cam, front and rear footage for total peace of mind on every drive. From FM, AUX to Wi-Fi, this thing does it all, turning any road trip or commute into a breeze. Seriously, if you want to upgrade your car's tech and safety without buying a new car, this dash cam is a game changer. Click the link below to get yours and experience the upgrade.